Are you still searching for AI tool you can use to generate videos for free? Search no more, because I just found a new AI platform which you can use to generate videos for free. You can use Grok AI on this platform to generate videos for free. You don't need to subscribe. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me show you the new platform I just found that you can use to generate videos for free. So guys, this is the platform we'll be trying out today, and this platform is called Remove Sora Watermark. This first one you are seeing here, you can go to your browser where you are browsing on your phone, your Google Chrome or any browser you are using, and you go and search for the name of this app. Now, when you search for the name, just open it. You are going to see this first one. Just open it, and after you open it, you don't need to do a lot. All you just need to do is just to register on the AI tool, and immediately you register there, you can start generating videos on this AI tool. You can get access to a lot of AI platform, a lot of AI tools on this platform. So all you need to do is just to register, and to register, all you need to do, just click on start for free up here. As you can see, start for free, and when you click on start for free, it's going to ask you to put your Gmail account so that you can register and start using the AI tool to generate video. So let's click on start for free. So immediately you click on register, it's going to register you using your Gmail account, and immediately you register, it will bring you to an interface like this. So all you just need to do, just click on this three dots by your left hand side. You click on it, you are going to see it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see AI video, you are going to see AI image, AI audio, AI music, and other tools also. You can see them. Now, for example, you can also see watermark remover, or a lot of things. You can see them, but right now we want to generate video. So you bring it to AI video. When you click on AI video, you are going to see a lot of AI model. Now, as you can see, they have Grok, they have Saro 2, they have Sora 2 Pro, Cadence 2.5, Cadence 2.0, Clint AI 1 2.0, Gemini VO 3.1. As you can see, Google VO 3.1. You can see a lot of AI tool, like even 1 2.7 is here. But right now we want to test Grok, so we just put it on Grok AI. Now when we put it on Grok AI, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, say create a full video generation workspace. Create video generation workspace. This one, you put it here. Now, as you can see, AI video, AI image, audio, music. So we are on here. Then our model we are using is Grok AI. So all you just need to do is just to put your description here, describe your video here, and if you have image you want to use, you can also click on this plus icon and you upload your image, and it will turn the image to video for you. You can select your aspect ratio, your duration, and you can generate up to 30-second video. As you can see, up to 30-second video here. You select your resolution into 720p and you click on generate, and it's going to generate your video for you. So you just let's test something out. Let's put some prompt here. So let me say create image, let's say create video. So I want us to test this simple prompt here. Create video of a man and his wife in restaurant. So we want to test something like this. So our aspect ratio, let's leave it 16:9. After put it in 16:9, I want us to bring this back to 5 seconds, or 5 seconds. Let's use 5 seconds because I don't want this video to be so long, because it's just a short video. According to the prompt I gave it, it's just a short video. So let's bring it to 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and after that our resolution, let's put it in quality in 720p, and the next thing we click on generate. Now when you click on generate, so as you can see, it says this prompt is not, it will not accept this prompt. So I need to change the prompt again. So this prompt is not valid. So let me rechange this prompt. It's so somehow simple. Let me copy a prompt from my ChatGPT on a video I'm working on. So let me copy this from ChatGPT. This is a prompt I'm working on a video I'm working on. So after copying, let me go back to the AI, and I'm going to replace it like this. I'm going to remove this one, and I'll paste this one that I just copied from ChatGPT. And after that, the next time I'll click on generate. Now, as you can see, it's generating the video right now because I copy a good prompt. So now, as you can see, it's generating the video right now, and in less than 1 minute, it's going to generate this video, and you guys are going to see the video. So all you just need to do, just register on this AI tool, and you start generating video with the AI tool, and it is free. So Now it's generating our video. So let's allow it to load. As you can see, let's allow it to load. Let's give it some minutes. Now finally the video has been generated. As you can see, this is the video here. So let's play the video. Let me play the video. Let me show you guys the video. This is the video here. So let's play the video.
Justice belongs to every person, whether rich or poor.
May the ancestors bless your wisdom.
So this is the video right now. This is the video just the way I prompted. That is how it is, because this is the story I'm working on right now on my story page. So this is one of the scene. This is one of the APS scene. So as you can see now, after you generate your video, you want to download it. Just come below it. You are going to see download. As you can see, just click on download and the video is going to download to your phone. If you don't want the video generation, if you are not okay with the result, you can still regenerate here. You can recreate it here. And this is how you can use this platform to be generating videos for free. Now, you guys have seen everything, how you can use this platform to generate videos for free. So, if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.